Hello traders, and welcome to the Market Open Preview, brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, great to be with you. It is Monday, June 30th, 2014, and we are at the last trading day of the month and the last trading day in the quarter. Traders, I'm coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, where we have partly cloudy skies. However, we do see a little bit of sunshine, and the beaches aren't looking too bad. Won't be there today, though. All right, traders, if you would, please let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and yes, traders, this is my trading station. This is where I sit for hours and hours a day looking out that window. All right, traders, yes, I started trading in 2006, and in 2008, I retired from an awesome career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, in about 9 days after I retired, I got on a big airplane and headed over to Thailand for a 3-month vacation. Traders, it is 2014 and I am still here. It has been absolutely wonderful retiring to the great country of Thailand. All right, traders, well, let's see what's going on. And just to let you know, I absolutely love what I do. Traders, I trade the Forex market every single day. I'm in front of my charts, and you can see my 3 computers that are there. I have to tell you, I do have a laptop on the side there. You can't see it. So I'm looking at basically 3 screens, and then I have a laptop on the side. Okay, so I love what I do. It's a challenge, it's fun, it's invigorating, and I really enjoy educating, so I absolutely adore being with you every single trading day with the Market Open Preview brought to you every day before the London Open. Okay, traders, let's go over to the legal stuff, and this is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex market. Traders, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you're using your expense money, please take a deep breath and possibly go to a demo account until you can trade the Forex market comfortably in your financial situation. Traders, please come and join us at www.fxclearing.com for your educational needs, your trading needs, and that possible demo account. All right, traders, let's move along here. Got a lot to talk about today. Let's take care of Monday news events. All right, let's take a look at what's traded overnight and closing on Friday. The Dow Jones closed up 0.03%. NASDAQ closed up at 0.43%. Nice move to the NASDAQ. And the S&P, I'm happy to say, closed up 0.19%. All right, let's take a look across the pond and see what we have. Oh, my goodness. I just lost my... There we go. Okay, I just lost my my screen. Okay, we have the FTSE 100 closed up 22.65. That does not sound right to me, traders. I think we're going to... yeah, that doesn't look right to me. Let's go down to the CAC 40. The CAC 40 closed down 2.64. The Euronext closed down 0.21%. The Nikkei 225, which is currently down at 24.92. Shanghai is up 13.56, and the Hang Seng is up 54.18. Traders, this might be correct. The DAX is up 10.27. Very interesting. The CAC 40 is down 2.64%, and the Euronext 100 is down 0.21%. Some pretty big moves after the close. Interesting stuff. Looks like to me that we're mixed, and we're probably going to see a shortcoming on the Open of London. Okay, in the news today, we have a couple of things. In the European session, we have CP. I think pretty sure that's CPI. Sorry, that's a mistake there, and that's year on year. And just before the New York Open, we have the CAD has GDP month on month, and in the U.S. session, we have pending home sales month on month. Traders, remember, these news events are high-impact news events. There are other news events throughout the day. Please check your economic calendar to make sure that you're aware if any of these are coming out during your trading session. Okay, traders, like I said, it is Monday, end of quarter and end of month, so let's hit the charts. We're going to do our normal regular pair today, because it is Monday, so let's head over to the euro dollar. Traders, this pair is still, in my eyes, the euro dollar is bearish. Bearish, bearish, bearish. We are looking to sell this pair, and when you see these other two time frames, I know you're going to think, William, I think you're crazy. But that's okay. I am staying with the plan, and this daily chart is not telling me that this wants to go long. However, I will say that Thursday and Friday, it did close above the 200 exponential moving average, but could not do anything. It's basically just floundering around over there and not really making any movement on the daily chart. Let's head over to the 60-minute chart on the euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar 60-minute chart. You can see that we're at resistance now on the 60-minute chart. And I did this I'd say about a half hour ago. I took this screenshot. So we're basically 3.5 hours before the London Open when I took the screenshot. So we have 3 more candles to go, and it doesn't look like this is doing anything. The main issue here is that we're at resistance. And these candles look weak to me. Look at this. We got indecision, decision, indecision, 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 and then the current candle. But we have a lot of indecision candles here, and that tells me that the bulls are running out of steam. However, as we talked about last week, I don't think this is a euro move as much as this is a dollar move. So this euro dollar went up on dollar weakness, not euro strength. I don't think there's anything positive coming out of the eurozone to make the euro strong. So we want to take this short with a bearish candlestick formation, and you can see where I have support labeled and also TP1, which is take profit, and that we're going to take that right above the 200 exponential moving average. So like at 36.10 or 36.15, that'd be a great place to get out of this trade. There's not a lot. Well, there's a good amount of pips here, so you can get out safely. And this is a good trade. I think we can do really well here. But we need that currency pair to give us the entry, and that's going to be the trick today on a Monday, where Friday price action was pretty sluggish. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Not as easy of a trade on this one. Again, we're hanging out here. It's been sideways, of course, and we need to see what this is going to do now. However, I'm still bearish here, traders. I want to sell this. I do not want to buy the euro. So I put this trend line. It's a valid trend line. It's a 4-touch trend line, and I want to sell this. So we see that we had a close below the trend line, and now the current candle is hitting the trend line. So let's see what happens at the London Open, and maybe we can take this to the downside. And we're just going to stick our stop above the previous high above the trend line, and we're just going to let that go there, and we're going to take this down. Now, you're going to get a bounce there at the 200 exponential moving average, so we need to be aware of that and either exit the trade or at least get to break even and protect yourself, because we're going to get a bounce at that 36.30 area for sure. All right, traders, let's go to the next currency pair, which I looked up in my notes and I couldn't find the last time we did the dollar CAD. So welcome to the dollar CAD to the group of currency pairs we're going to talk about. All right, bearish, bearish. Can we say bearish? No problem on this chart. The dollar CAD on a daily is absolutely bearish. So my bias is we want to take sell trades. So traders, let's go over to the 60-minute chart and see if we can get an entry. Very nice, very nice. This is looking great. This is the dollar CAD on the 60-minute chart. Look at where the 200 exponential moving average is, 1.074546. That's a great area to be at. It's far away from price. That's good. And so we don't have to worry about the 200 exponential moving average on this chart. So I fibbed this, and you can see we're looking at this 50% fib or the 382 right where we're at now. We're just looking for a bearish candlestick formation, and we're going to take this short. Absolutely take this short. We can get down to that support area at 0.65560 area. You can see that we're at support there, but we'll have plenty of pips to get break even before we get to that where we're going to expect this to bounce. And then, of course, I would think that it's going to continue the bearish move. So nice entry setup here. We're at the sweet spot. So when you come to your charts at the London Open, this is something I would definitely be looking into. Okay, traders, one more chart to go, and this is the 15-minute chart. Yes, the dollar CAD on the 50-minute. Look at that 200 exponential moving average. Is that not beautiful? And that is at 1.0687, rounded off to 0690, and looking good. Okay, so what do we got here? I did the same thing as I did on the 60-minute chart. I just fibbed the last swing. The major swing there, we just fibbed it. And now we're at the 38.2 fib, current candle, and we're looking to take the short. I want to short this. I have no desire to counter trend trade this currency pair, and I am just looking for a bearish candlestick formation, and let's take this to the downside. Traders, your stop needs to be above that 61.8, and that's at 0680, about that area, 0682. So that's where you're going to want to put your stop and just take this down for the ride. Again, remember that at 06600, we're going to be at support again. You need to watch that. That's going to bounce there, and we want to make sure that we're ready for that. But don't be surprised if we get some rough waters at that price level. All right, traders, went a little bit overtime today, but that's okay. I'd like to thank you, traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, you have a great trading day, and remember, we bring you the market open preview every day before the London Open. Traders, till next time, take care, and bye-bye.